This is the new professional magnetic knife holder set. I'm showing you just as I got it in the mail out of the box. I've cut around the edge with a pair of scissors so that I can remove the back. And in this package, this is what we are looking forward to getting out. This is magnetic and it's wonderful. It's by SUMPRI. It comes with the hardware that you need to put it together on the wall. Okay, there's 2 of them. So if you want, you can put them in one long row, or you can do them like this. I do them that way when it's put up on the wall. Imagine this is your wood wall that you're putting it on, and the screws. Now, like I said, it's by SUMPRI. I really like the quality of the products that this particular company makes. And these magnets are very, very powerful. This is the backing of it. We're going to flip it over so you can see the front. In the corner down here, it has the name SUMPRI, but it's very elegant. It's very, very good. As you can see, the magnets will hold together, so you can put them in one big block, or you can put them individually. And this is this simple. Look, I use it in my craft room for scissors. You know, when you're in a hurry and you're trying to grab your scissors and you don't want to have to try to dig them out of a drawer, they're just handy. And you can use it for knives too. Okay, but look at that. It's quite powerful. Any kind of scissors, any kind of knives, any kind of magnets. This is really, really good. And the nice thing about it is if you decide that you want to move it somewhere else, I have it in my craft room. I really like it. My daughter has one, and she likes to have it in her kitchen for her knives. And her husband was going to put one out in his workroom. Just pull it apart. Like I said, you can put them long, so you've got one long one, or you can put them individual and place them the way you want them. Put the screws in the back. It's as simple as that. And look, just pop them right back on. Very strong magnets. I am really, really happy with them. They're good quality, and the company ships rather quickly too, so I wasn't waiting for them. Anyway, that is my review for the SUMPRI magnetic knife holder set. It's excellent. It really is good. And down below in the YouTube comments, I'm going to put the link so that you can order one too, because I know you want one.